The Northeast, India's most unexplored frontier. A land of rolling hills, endless rivers, and untapped potential. For decades, this region remained cut off from the nation's big infrastructure dreams. But that story is finally changing. From underwater tunnels beneath the mighty Brahmaputra, to highways hugging the China border, and rail bridges soaring higher than the Eiffel Tower, India is unleashing a wave of transformation in its farthest corner. These are not just projects. They're the foundation of a new, connected, and powerful Northeast. So today, let's explore the top 10 upcoming mega projects that will redefine the future of Northeast India. One of India's most sacred Shakti Pithas, the Kamakhya temple in Guwahati, is being given a complete facelift. Inspired by the Kashi Vishwanath model, this mega redevelopment project will improve pilgrim facilities, access roads, and create a grand temple complex while preserving its spiritual essence. It's set to turn Guwahati into a major global pilgrimage destination. This 12-kilometer bridge over the Brahmaputra will connect Palasbari and Sualkuchi near Guwahati. With a budget of 4,000 crore rupees, it will drastically reduce travel time between lower Assam districts, boost local trade, and decongest the existing Saraigat bridge. Once built, it'll become another key lifeline across the Brahmaputra. The Northeast isn't just about roads and railways, it's also about technology. Tata Group has proposed a 40,000 crore rupees semiconductor plant in Assam, marking the region's entry into India's electronics manufacturing boom. If approved, it will create thousands of jobs and make Assam a new high-tech manufacturing hub. Assam's capital, Guwahati, is set to become the first metro city of Northeast India. The Guwahati Metro project plans 4 corridors, 61 kilometers in total, covering all key zones of the city. This project will ease traffic, cut pollution, and modernize Guwahati into a true urban hub of the Northeast. The Noni Bridge is just one part of the larger 111-kilometer Jiribam Imphal line, a 14,000 crore rupees mega project. With 45 tunnels and 16 bridges, this railway will link Manipur's capital to India's rail grid for the very first time, cutting travel time drastically and opening massive economic opportunities across the region. Imagine driving from Assam straight into Southeast Asia without leaving the highway. That's what the East-West Corridor extension aims to achieve. Stretching from Silchar in Assam to Moreh in Manipur, this mega highway will link the northeast to Myanmar and Thailand, becoming a vital part of the India-Myanmar-Thailand trilateral highway. Once completed, it will open up massive trade routes, tourism, and cross-border business opportunities, turning the northeast into India's true gateway to Southeast Asia. Sikkim, the only Indian state without a railway station. But that's about to change. The Sivok Rangpo rail line is a 45-kilometer project cutting through the Himalayas with 14 tunnels and 13 bridges. Once operational, it will connect Sikkim directly to the Indian Railways network for the first time, making the state more accessible for trade, defense, and tourism. Running parallel to the river from Sadia to Dhubri, the Brahmaputra Expressway will stretch nearly 900 kilometers. It's designed not only to boost connectivity, but also to prevent riverbank erosion, a persistent problem in Assam. Once completed, it will link multiple districts, industrial zones, and tourism hubs along the Brahmaputra Valley, turning it into a powerhouse of trade and travel. Imagine driving beneath one of India's mightiest rivers, the Brahmaputra. Soon, that will be a reality. This 15.6-kilometer twin-tube underwater tunnel will connect Gopur and Numaligarh in Assam. Built at a cost of 14,000 crore rupees, it will be India's first under-river highway tunnel, providing year-round access even during monsoons when ferries and bridges often fail. A true marvel of engineering in the making. Stretching over 1,700 kilometers along the India-China border, this will be one of India's most ambitious road projects. The Arunachal Frontier Highway will run from Bomdila to Vijayanagar, through some of the toughest terrain in the country. Costing nearly 28 crore rupees, it will boost border security, tourism, and connectivity for remote villages that were once completely isolated. Once complete, it will stand as a symbol of India's strategic strength and engineering determination. From tunnels beneath rivers to highways on mountain ridges, the Northeast is finally getting the attention it deserves. These projects are not just about roads and bridges. They're about connectivity, opportunity, and national integration. The future of India's growth story now runs through the hills and valleys of the Northeast. So the next time someone calls it India's forgotten region, remind them, the Northeast is not waiting anymore. It's rising.